Accurate. Productive. Toro's Bullseye golf maintenance products will help you hit the mark every time. From aerating to seeding, and grooming to renovating, the Bullseye line is built to last with efficiency in mind. With aerators like the Rotaquake 630, you'll get maximum impact underground with minimal surface disruption. And the cam-style clutch will save you downtime by preventing broken bolts or blades if you hit a hard object underground. Toro's Bullseye line of seeders are fast and efficient with precise seed placement. With maximum ground speeds of over 7 miles per hour, the Rapiseed 590 and its smaller version, the 430, along with the Accuraseed 620 will save you time and money. And your seed rate will be the same no matter what your speed. Easy on you and customizable to choose the seed rate you need. One machine, one pass. And when the wheels stop, so does the seed. No spills. The Bullseye Towable grooming machines are quick, easy, and effective on a single pass. Easy to set up and easy to store. The soft bristles in the whole line will be gentle on your grass while still getting the job done. With easy adjustments like the angled brushes on the Quick Groom 550, you'll have the control you need at every turn. Single pass grass renovation, we've got you covered. With a simple blade change on the Bullseye new surface, you'll have the option to fraise, flail mow, or verti-cut. A go-to grass removal tool in a go-to lineup of machines, designed to care for your course with precision and ease. The Bullseye family of products will help you hit the mark every time. Only from Toro. Count on it.